Best weight loss tips for women. Women's weight reduction is influenced by a variety of factors, including diet and activity. It's especially useful for women over 50 since it boosts the quantity of calories burned during rest. Drinking more water is a simple and efficient approach to lose weight quickly and easily. Drinking water before a meal can also help you lose weight by reducing the number of calories you consume by about 13%. According to research, eating a high-protein diet can reduce cravings, improve feelings of fullness, and speed up metabolism. According to research, getting adequate sleep is just as important for weight loss as food and exercise. Sleep deprivation has been linked to increased body weight and greater levels of ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite, in several studies. Aerobic exercise, often called cardio, raises your heart rate and helps you burn more calories. More exercise in your routine can help you lose weight, according to studies, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Furthermore, keeping a meal log will help you stay on track with your objectives and may result in longer-term weight reduction. According to research, eating slowly can increase feelings of fullness and lead to considerable calorie savings. For example, one research among college women found that removing specific items from their diet increased cravings and overeating. Fad diets can also encourage poor eating patterns and lead to yo-yo dieting, both of which are adverse to long-term weight reduction. When you're short on time and can't get a complete exercise in, cramming more steps into your day is a simple method to burn more calories and lose weight. According to several research, higher stress levels are linked to a higher risk of weight gain over time. Heat has been found to burn more calories than other exercises like bicycling, jogging, and strength training, and can help you lose weight. Switching to a smaller plate size may improve weight reduction by encouraging portion management. Probiotics have been shown in studies to aid weight loss by increasing fat excretion and altering hormone levels to suppress appetite. Studies suggest that it can help lower abdominal fat and total body weight. Studies suggest that practicing yoga can help avoid weight gain and boost fat burning. Yoga has also been found to help promote good eating habits by reducing binge eating and preventing food obsession. By reducing the amount of food you eat, making a conscious effort to chew slowly and completely can help you lose weight. The hunger-promoting hormone ghrelin has been found to be reduced by eating a high-protein breakfast. When it comes to weight loss, intermittent fasting is believed to be just as beneficial as calorie restriction. It may also assist to improve metabolism by boosting the number of calories burnt even while you're not doing anything. Processed foods are abundant in calories, sugar, and salt, but poor in protein, fiber, and micronutrients. More processed food consumption has been linked to increased body weight, particularly among women, according to studies. As a result, it's recommended to avoid processed meals and instead eat complete foods like fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, lean meats, whole grains, and legumes. Foods heavy in added sugar are high in calories but low in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, which your body requires to function properly. To encourage weight reduction and improving general health, it's recommended to limit your intake of sugary foods like soda, candy, fruit juice, sports drinks, and desserts. Making a few easy lifestyle changes can assist women in achieving long-term weight loss. Even incorporating one or two of these methods into your daily routine will help you achieve your goals and maintain a healthy, long-term weight loss. Find details in the description.